are Tesla Model S with spacers safe to use. Installing Tesla Model S with spacers to space your wheels out a few millimeters is a way to enhance ride quality. Because your wheels are mounted further away from the hub assembly, it creates a wider track. A wider track generally improves grip, which enhances your car's handling characteristics.
This is especially beneficial for
Tesla Model S,
improving control on rough terrains and during high speed. Many aftermarket wheels and off-road tires have different offset requirements. BONOSS forged aluminum with spacer help you achieve perfect clearance and alignment without compromising safety. BONOSS with spacers are crafted from AL7075-T6 and AL6061-T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles, unlike generic wheel spacers that may introduce vibrations. BONOSS multi-stage half-century wheel spacers feature a precisely machined center board that perfectly matches the hub. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance, a significant advantage for track day enthusiasts. BONOSS with spacers undergo over 73 strict SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, these spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS with spacer provides a perfect solution. BONOSS delivers a precise fit. If you are looking to transform your performance and appearance, BONOSS with spacer are an investment you won't regret. Like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience with wheel spacers.